go. That.
Wow. It's a manual operated.
Last one in the city of Chicago.
Really?
It's in a public building like this.
Wow. This you get on here? Okay.
Hey, you know, we need help.
Thanks a lot.
Okay, have a good day.
All the way up to the top, please.
That's the 8th floor. All right, we're good. We can do that.
You can get over there?
Thank you.
No problem.
Okay, there we go. Thanks.
Wow.
Hi.
So, pull your roll around
Okay.
here, and you'll see these blue placards that'll kind of tell you what you're looking at.
Okay.
Some of the studios are really neat. You can look in the windows. One, the original illustrator from the Wizard of Oz just had a studio here, so there's a placard out there.
Okay, cool.
Down here, and then when you're ready, you can go back, press
Okay.
this button.
All right, thank you.
Very nice building.
Pretty cool.
1898. They just recently did massive renovation in this building, so.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's definitely, you can ask them where the.
Okay. Yeah, I will.
Very nice.
Thank you.
Thank you.
How long you been working here?
Since 2017.
Okay.
It's kind of sad that these are going to go bye-bye.
Elevators?
Yeah.
Really? Thank you.
I'll check.
He's going to level this thing.
There you go. All right, thank you very much. Have a great day.
You have a great day.
Thank you. Look at this. That's cool.
Yeah,
Very neat.
those are cool. Thank
It
you.
is. Fine Arts Building. Yeah, anyway, I guess that is going to be it for me.